Let's get started on our second cocktail inspired by Westchester's 150th homecoming. The 4 ingredients you're gonna need to make this fun and funky Golden Ram Spritz are ginger beer, Prosecco, old standing sugar, and cotton candy. Hey guys, really quick bartender tip. When it comes to champagne, did you know that there are 4 different types of champagne glasses? Flute, tulip, wide tulip, and then you have a coupe. The purpose behind each different type is because it's set up to help preserve the bubbles of the champagne so they float up to the top and can preserve the texture. You want your champagne to taste crisp. So you want it to be the last thing you pour into your glass if you're making a mixed drink. So although I'm tempted to pop this bottle now, I'm gonna wait till the end. Okay, I just schooled you on making sure you use a flute glass, but I can't help myself. It's Westchester's homecoming, so of course I'm gonna use this really cool wine glass. And again, it's fun, we're mixing it up. It's a funky, fun drink, so follow along. You're gonna take a lemon and you're going to use that, think of it as glue, on the side of your glass. Then you're gonna take standing sugar into a bowl like this, and you're gonna go ahead and just pass your glass over there, and you're gonna start to see the standing sugar stick to the rim. Here we are. I've covered half of the rim with the standing sugar in gold. Of course, I'm gonna open my ginger beer with my Westchester Alumni Association magnet. Pour, tilted, because ginger beer is carbonated. And I have it 2/3 of the way filled with ginger beer. Now it's time for the fun part. Remember, you want this to be the last step so that the bubbles start at the bottom and float to the top. Here we have the beautiful gold sugar on the side. What I've done is I've added to one end of this the cotton candy. And remember, it is sugar and you can totally just toss it right in there when you're ready. Really cool the way it bubbles up in there. Toast to you guys. Happy anniversary, Westchester. Thanks for joining me. Follow me on social media for more recipes at home that you can make. It's BoomCheers McBoom on Instagram, or you can follow my Facebook page, BoomCheers. And the most important thing, the taste test. So cheers from me to you. Perfect. A nice fall crisp flavor, I have to say. Happy homecoming.